नमस्ते, मैं हूँ पायल रोहातगी। कुछ दिन पहले मैंने बात करी थी अबाउट पेन शुआज disappearance or Pen Shua's alleged sexual claim about being assaulted by a very powerful political leader. अब उसके ऊपर information ये है, WTA suspends all tournaments in China over Peng Shuai concerns. The WTA tour chairman Steve Seaman said that women tennis circuit is suspending all tournaments in China over concerns about the safety of Chinese player Peng, a 35-year-old Wimbledon and French Open doubles champion, because she was not seen for more than 2 weeks following her allegations that former vice premier, now in his 70s, Zhang Gaoli, now in his 70s, forced her into sex during a year-long on and off relationship. Peng's claims against Zhang were the first time China's Me Too movement has touched the highest levels of the ruling Communist Party. अब यहाँ पर I am obviously trying to be unbiased. मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ after reading this much that Peng के claims can be genuine, they cannot be genuine also, but we need to have an unbiased investigation into her allegations because she is a woman who has achieved a lot of things in her life. So because she has achieved a lot of things in her life, if she's making a claim at this stage of her life, then she has a lot to lose if her allegations are false. So यहाँ पर I would have expected lot of women to talk about these sexual allegations made by Peng, but lot of women, Indian women, have not talked about it. Indian feminist women will talk about Black Lives Matters, but Indian feminist women have not talked about Peng. Now, Peng was photographed at a tennis event last month in Beijing and participated in a video call on November 21st with Thomas Bach, the president of the International Olympic Committee. Beijing is set to host the Winter Olympics in February. While we know where Peng is, I have serious doubt that she is free, safe, and not subjected to censorship, coercion, and intimidation. The WTA has been clear on what is needed, and we repeat our call for full and transparent investigation without censorship into Peng Shua's sexual assault accusation. None of this is acceptable, nor can it become acceptable if full people can suppress the voices of women and sweep allegations of sexual assault under the rug. Then the basis on which the WTA was formed, equality for women, would suffer an immense setback. I will not and cannot let that happen to the WTA and its players. The loss of events in China would be a blow to WTA, but Simon said China's leaders have left WTA with no option. Unless China takes steps we have asked for, we cannot put our players and staff at risk by holding events in China. I remain hopeful that our pleas will be heard and the Chinese authorities will take steps to legitimately address this issue. The European Union and the United Nations, the United States and Britain have all called for proof of Peng's whereabouts and well-being. To further protect Peng and many other women throughout the world, it is more urgent than ever for people to speak out. I hope leaders around the world will continue to speak out so justice can be done for Peng and all women, no matter the financial ramifications. So I just hope that Indian feminist women, Indian women in general, talk about Peng Shua's allegations so that she gets justice. She is in China. China is ruled by a communist party. वहाँ पर censorship होती है. इंडिया में अलग तरीके से censorship होती है. वहाँ पर जो censorship होती है वो बहुत दम घुटने वाली है. So I really hope Peng Shuang allegation gets a fair investigation, and I'm very glad that WTA has made the stand so that Pen Shua's allegations are investigated. Namaste, Jai Hind.